Okay guys, I'm gonna be scrapping another microwave. This one is Panasonic. I'm just cleaning my shop, so I'm gonna be scrapping this one. Most of them are all the same, there is no difference in them. This one has the plate. It can be sold on eBay. Plate. The ring. This is the ring that goes to move the plate. That can be sold too. And what we got here is you want to learn about microwaves, the heat sensor, and the bulb. There's a 120 volt bulb. You have the ceramic fuse for protection, and we got here all of them has this is the power capacitor. What you do is here, without touching it, you just with a screwdriver you jump from negative to positive. That will recharge the big caps, and you do it to the ground too, to the case. And this one is short already, so there is no voltage. It is safe. Power transformer. This one looks got some grease on it, and the PC board here. The PC board has the power supply regulation here with a relay, a transformer, some semiconductor IC integrated circuit. I used to sell this stuff on eBay, but there is so much competition that I don't sell it on eBay anymore. So, and here there is another fan. This is a cooling fan. It has some copper in it. And the cable, the power cable. This is brass. I take this plug out, cut it, and I'll show you what I do with these things. I have the brass bucket here. This is a brass bucket. There is a screw here, but this whole brass part here, and most of them are power plug connector. All power plug connectors are brass anyway. There's probably a pound here, not much, but you can collect them. And under the microwave there is another motor down there. That's the one that turns the turntable motor that can be taken and sold as it. This power transformer I sell them as is because they got what they have in here is aluminum. Most of them are copper, and the copper is very dirty to take it out. It's a lot of work. So it's better to sell it like this. And the magnetron, I don't play with magnetrons anyway. I just take them out and sell them as metal steel. And the switch, safety switch here for the door, they got some silver connector inside the switches. Very easy to cut. So I'm gonna be scrapping this microwave. I wish I have a bunch of hands so I can show you that I can take the parts out of it. Just take a screwdriver and keep taking parts out, that's all. No big deal. Just one camera hand guy here. What you do with these things here is just cut the wires. Cut the wire so you can take this one out. Fall to the floor, okay. And cut this one too. And then this power plug will come out. Of course it has a ground here. Cut it. There you have it. You have a power plug. This is copper and this is brass. Just put it on the side. there. Okay. This cable just keep cutting. This cable are copper. Just cut them all. This is a fuse that can be saved with the whole bracket. Okay, let's see what we got here. I will be taking out. This is for the blower. Got 3 screws out. The transformer has 4 screws on the bottom, big ones. And this one here has 2 screws. This is the front PC. I don't know what's happening with my camera. It's just kind of out of focus. There you go. That's better. I take the screws out here. I don't have a power. I have a power tool for this screws, but the battery went bad, so I had to do this screw, taking the screw out manually. Sorry about the movement, but I just have 2 screws. Sometimes this one's will come out, but it hasn't. We got 2 more screws on the bottom. Pull it up. And there you got 2 more screws here. The bracket here. I guess 2 screws. Let's see. This thing should come out. Power board. Well, these 2 screws are just holding the metal base. So this thing should come out. So it just came out. That's what I told you. And you can cut this up, take the plugs out. There you go. There's one more here. And there you have it, guys. This is the power board. Well, this relay here, this relay has inside the connector are silver. The transformers, take it out, so as is. And what else we got here? It's a board. You can disconnect the cable here, and what transistor, resistor, caps, semiconductor. Some of these semiconductors, some of them have some gold plated inside, but most of them they don't. So you can sell. This is the speaker, the beat speaker. This is a dial here, safety dial, and the transformer. You can take those parts out and you can sell this. Just 2 screws here, and this board will come out. Take this the relay, the transformer, and sell the board as it. That's it. Now what do we got here? Sorry guys about that noise. It's just the one I got here. I'm gonna be taking apart these things. Got 4 screws here for the power, for the blower. Just cut the wire here and there. Okay. Take these screws out. It's not hard to take to scrap a microwave. It's not that hard. It's like a TV, very easy. You then take all the parts and choose then upon all the metal that you can take out, part like copper, brass, silver, gold plated material. Most of the microwave they don't have gold plated material. They do have Okay, like you can see here, the power capacitor hook up with the blower. And this is the power dial. Man, I really got good with my left hand. Okay, gonna fall to the floor. So there you have it. We got here is the copper, and the rest is metal. Power capacitor, metal, and the power dial. That's it. Let's put it on the side. Right here is we have another cable here. This is another sensor. They put a lot of sensor on this microwave oven. His sensors. There you go. Now we got here a bulb, 120. I saved them because I repair microwave too, so sometimes I need a used bulb for another microwave. Most of them are the same anyway. Okay, microwave bulb. This microwave was working. The only problem it has is the top cover here was all burned out, scrap. So it just when you turn it on, it was, you can hear the sound of the fire cracking here. What's the problem? So that cannot be repaired. So I didn't repair it. So that's for that reason. Okay, where is my screwdriver? Right here. Sorry about that finger. Oh, brother. Okay, you take this thing out here. This is another sensor here. Another heat sensor. They put so many of these heat sensors for safety. There you go. This is another heat sensor, guys. Now I'm gonna be taking this cover out here, the plastic cover. Just one screw here. Of course, this one has another one along here somewhere, I guess. It doesn't matter. There you go. That's a plastic cover. Worse than anything. And then I have the magnetron. I'll take out the magnetron now. How many parts on this microwave? I just cleaning my shop. I got so many stuff here for parts and taking too much space on my shop, so got to disassemble a lot of things here. There's my shop, that's my workbench over there. And I got a bunch of laptops down there that I have to disassemble too. This is a magnetron, guys. Don't play with this stuff here. Bad for you. There is a magnet here. These plates are aluminum, but two magnets here. I don't play with this stuff. These 2 liter coils back here. I just leave them like that and sell it as a metal. I don't play with that. Now these safety switches here, they have some silver inside. Silver contacts inside the switches. I I take them out too and recycle that, but it's not a lot really. But if you do microwave, then you can save them for another microwave. Many people these days they don't prepare anything. They just throw them and put them in the garbage because I mean there is no I guess they are full with money. Maybe, I don't know. This thing got plugged up there. There you go. This is a safety switch here. Most microwave have 1, 2, 3. You got most of them has 3 switches. Let's cut the cable here. And this one here, this cable here, the brown one goes to the turntable. Just cut in. Okay. And there you have. This is a safety switch here. All assembly wiring, copper wiring. Okay. Now I have left is a transformer, 4 screws on the bottom, and the turntable motor there that I'm going to be taking out. This one you have to pry with a screwdriver. Just break this contact here. Okay. Oh boy. Okay guys, like cut this thing here. Cut this clip here on the sides. Then you pry. And there you have it. That's the motor, turntable motor. You can save it, but you can sell it as a motor. Has some copper connector in it. Has 2 screws. God. It's not easy to work with one hand. Man. Very hard. Okay, I got that motor. 3.38 watts. That's a scrap. Now I have to take the power transformer. Have 1, 2, 3 screws. I'm gonna be taking that out. I'm gonna be pausing for now. Okay guys, I took the whole thing apart. And this is what we got from this big microwave. You recycle this transformer and this PC board. You get a bulb, 120 volt bulb, a heat sensor, a fuse, ceramic fuse, magnetron, a motor, and the relay that was on the power supply board that has some contact, another blower motor, the power transformer, and the wiring, and this is brass, the end of the cable, and then you got the safety switch for the door. And I took apart one of those safety switch, and I don't know if you can see this little switch here. That's silver. That switch, this looks like a white. It's a contact. It's silver, and there is 2 of them. There is another one here. This one here. You can see that's silver. Then they can put those contacts apart. You can recycle them. So and what's left is the big case, metal case, for steel. And that's it, guys. that is what you get from a microwave oven. Not much. I think it's a waste of time to do these things, but I don't have anything else to do. And I'm cleaning my shops, and I'm gonna be recycling this thing for the good of the planet, like they said. I don't like to throw anything away in the garbage. So please, you like this video, just put the like button and sub to my channel. Subscribe to my channel. And if you want me to subscribe to your channel, just let me know. I will do the same to you. So thanks for watching, and bye.